Hello and welcome back to the Gourmet Gambit. Today we're going to make a nice Mediterranean recipe, red mullet à la Provençal. This recipe from the south of France is very easy to do and it's going to give you some sunshine on your dinner table. Let's have a look at our ingredients. We're going to use 1 or 2 sticks of celery. We got some sun-dried tomatoes, 2 sweet peppers or bell peppers. We got some Timur berries, which is a fake pepper that has a lovely citrusy flavor. We got our sea salt and black pepper mill, and we got some garlic. Now you can choose how much garlic you want to use. If you like garlic very much, use 10 cloves. If not, use in between 6 or 8 cloves. I got some white truffle flavored salt. Now, if you don't have that, use coarse sea salt. And I also got some white truffle flavored olive oil. Same thing, if you can't find this, use a regular olive oil. And of course, very important, the herbs de Provence. We're also going to need some good potatoes. These are Roseval potatoes. We're not going to peel them, we're going to cook them with the skin. We're going to use the oil from the sun-dried tomatoes, 2 lemons, and of course we got our red mullet fillets. We're going to ground our Timur berries grossly. Once we have chopped up potatoes, we're going to add a twist of sea salt and a twist of black peppercorns. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of herb de Provence, and we're going to add about 4 tablespoons of the oil from the sun-dried tomatoes. Give this a good mix so all the potatoes are nicely coated. There we go. I'm going to use my clay pot, my tagine for this recipe. You can also use a large skillet with a lid or any other type of frying pan. Again, I'm going to use some of the oil from our sun-dried tomatoes to give my clay pot a good coating. The oil from the sun-dried tomatoes just have a great flavor. And now I'm going to add my potatoes. And I'm going to put my burner on medium heat, and I'm going to add the top of my tagine, and we're going to start this off for 15 minutes on medium heat. And after 20 minutes we're going to turn our potatoes around. Put the lid back on, and it's another 15 minutes still on medium heat. And here we are after another 15 minutes. We're going to turn our potatoes around again. I'm going to add all the vegetables on top. A little twist of coarse sea salt. A little twist of black pepper. The lid back on. And we're going to lower the heat in between medium and low. And we're going to let this cook for another half an hour. And another half an hour has passed. And we're going to mix this all up again. We're going to add our dried tomatoes. Now we're going to lower the heat to the minimum, and it's another 15 minutes of cooking. And now we're just going to season the fillets on the skin side. We got our truffle flavored olive oil. truffle flavored salt. And we're going to crust Timur berries. And that's a very nice seasoning. The white truffle flavors and the citrusy Timur berries are really a great combination of flavors. And now we're almost done, my dear friends. We're going to kill the heat. I'm just going to add a little pinch of that white truffle flavored salt. And now we're going to put the fillets on there. One more thing to do, we're going to heat up the oven up to 200 degrees Celsius, but we're only going to use the top grill, and the red mullet is really thin, so it's going to grill in 10 minutes time, and we're ready. Oh, here we go! And this actually took only 8 minutes. You see, the fillets are so thin, they really fry very, very quick. Red mullet à la Provençal is a sheer beauty. A real burst of Mediterranean flavors that's going to put some sunshine on your table. I hope you enjoyed the video and it was useful for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and hit that bell. It's a great motivation for me. And as this story ends, my dear friends, all that's left to say, bon appetit and see you back soon.